My overall experience with the Shells Only team was excellent from start to finish. The type of work I had done by Shells Only was a kitchen repair. When the work was initially done by our contractor, we noticed that there was some work that wasn't up to the standard we expected, so Shells Only came in and was able to repair that work for us. If I had known then what I know now about the detail that's needed, and because of the fact that they didn't install everything correctly, it wound up costing us more money to have it repaired. Had we chose Shells Only initially to install the kitchen, we would have actually saved that money. So when everything was said and done, we had the kitchen that we were initially hoping to have, and we're happy every time we walk into it. The advantages with Shells Only is that they have a showroom. When you walked in, right away you can see beautiful kitchens, and it was good showmanship from the beginning. We did go to shop around at a couple of other places, local showrooms on Long Island, before we found your home center, and it just really couldn't compare. What else we liked was the fact that as soon as we walked in, there was somebody there right away to help us. They came right up to us, asked questions. When we told them we just wanted to look around, they gave us the opportunity, but then we can go right back to them and ask them the questions that we needed. Would I recommend Shells Only to friends and family? Absolutely. From the showroom, from the product, and from the people that came in and actually helped us out, it was a great experience.